So now we are going to see about calorimeter, which is one of the application of heat. So this is the device used to measure the amount of heat gained or lost by a substance. So this is an apparatus to measure the amount of heat gained or lost by the substance, and this device is called calorimeter. So what this device consists of: a metallic vessel, then insulating jacket. Metallic vessel is placed inside this insulating jacket because insulating jacket will not leave the heat to escape from this. So that's why we are using insulating jacket, and with one hole we use thermometer to measure the temperature, and we use stirrer to mix the content, and we use usually liquids to measure the heat gained or lost. Here the liquid is taken as water and current supply is given here. So this is a whole apparatus to measure the heat gained or lost by the substance. Usually the device measured heat capacity of a liquid in the container. The world's first ice calorimetry was used in the year 1782 to determine the heat generated by various chemical changes. Next application of heat is thermostat or thermostatic. The word thermo means heat, static means remains the same, it will not change. So heat does not change, it remains constant within an object, that is called thermostat. And this thermostat is used in many devices, our day-to-day devices. Thermostat are used in many devices or a system that gets heat or cools down to a preset temperature. And where did you see this thermostatic? In water heaters, kitchen equipments like oven, refrigerators. Sometimes thermostat function as both sensor and controller of the thermal system. It can control the heat and it can give sensor. Next application of heat is thermo flask or vacuum flask. Usually when we want hot coffee for a long time, we'll used to keep in the flask, isn't it? To make the substance hot for a long time, we use flask. What is the function of that flask? Now we are going to see the function of the flask. So if you take this, what's its outer, it is covered by one surface, and inside it is silver inner wall and vacuum between two walls. Inside we have coffee, outer casing of plastic of metal, insulated top, insulated support. You have double walls and it is insulator. Usually what is the function of insulator? Insulator will not allow the heat to go out beyond them. So insulator will not allow the heat to get into the atmosphere. That's why we keep hot water in a flask. So what happens inside? The conduction takes place. Conduction takes place inside the flask. So why the silver wall? The silver wall, when see here, coffee is hot, the heat transferred here, and silver wall will reflect it and get back to the where it is placed. So this is a principle takes place inside the flask. The main two parts are insulator and silver inner wall. So summary of this lesson: heat, effects of heat, under which we have seen what happens when we apply a heat to an object. It expands, increase in temperature and change its states, and how heat get transferred through three ways: conduction, convection and radiation. Then we came across a new term, calorimeter, under which we have seen temperature, unit of heat, heat capacity, specific heat capacity. And we have seen three applications of heat, that is calorimeter, thermostat and thermoflask.